Adobe Animate is a software that allows us to make all kinds of animations in 2 dimensions and export them to different formats. Among them, we can create movies in the native Animate format, which is SWF, shockwave flash or small web format, animated GIF, high-quality videos, JPG and PNG, cell phone compatible applications and games, and all kinds of multimedia content. Adobe Animate is a vector design and animation program. This means we will work with vectors in design, illustration, and 2D animation. A vector graphic is a digital image formed by different independent geometric objects. Each of these elements have mathematical parameters such as shape, position, color, type, outline thickness, fill color, and so on. Vector graphics are different from bitmap or bitmap graphics, that is, what we know as PNG images, etc. Images are made up of pixels. Unlike bitmaps, vectors have the advantage of being scalable, that is, you can increase its size, it can be stretched, and it does not lose quality. Then, what is Animate most used for, and what are you going to be able to do? If you want to work as a 2D animator or multimedia artist, or create your own short animated series, multimedia content, videos for the web, motion graphics for your YouTube channel, for events, or to make cartoons, this is the place. With Animate, you can do all that and much more. Create characters from scratch and bring them to life with Animate. You can save your creations in a library and reuse those that you need, optimizing your time and resources. In this course, we will see all the necessary topics for you to become an animator starting from scratch. After each class, I recommend you to consult the exercises section in order to put everything you have learned into practice.